how to greet somebody in French language. At the end of this video, you will be able to greet someone using French words and tell him how you're feeling to meet him and ask him how he's feeling. So let's start just after the generic. Hello guys, my name is Chanel Tallin and you're welcome in this new video of Learn French by Chanel, the best channel to learn how to speak French friendly and quickly. In today's lesson, we will see how to greet someone in French language. Usually, in English, we have to salute somebody in accordance with the moment of the day. For example, in the morning we will say good morning. In the evening we will say good evening. It's similar in French. In the morning we will say bonjour. Bonjour. In the evening we will say bonsoir. Bonsoir. And in the afternoon we will say bon après-midi. Bon après-midi. These salutations, we can use them in all the situations. Either if you're talking with your colleagues, with your friends, or if you're talking with your superiors. So we can use them in an informal cadre and in a formal cadre. Now, there are other expressions we can use only in an informal cadre. For example, when you're talking with your friends, with your colleagues, or with your classmates. Expressions are salut, salut. Salut mean the same thing than bonjour, bonsoir, or bon après-midi. So we can use it in all the moments of the day. Another expressions are hey and hello. Hello. I know that they are English expressions, but we also use them in French. And we use them independently of the moment of the day. And after all those expressions, you can add the name of the person that you're greeting. For example, we can have bonjour, Sandra. Bonjour, Sandra. Sandra is my neighbor. Now that you know how to greet someone, you can tell him how you feel. For example, in English, we often say, nice to meet you. When it's the first time you meet somebody, you can say, nice to meet you. Or, it's a pleasure to meet you. Or, I'm pleased to meet you. In French, we can say heureux de faire votre connaissance. If you are a woman, you will say heureuse, heureuse, heureuse de faire votre connaissance. You can also say enchanté de faire votre connaissance. Enchanté de faire votre connaissance. Or we can simply say enchanté. Another expression you can use is c'est un plaisir de vous rencontrer. C'est un plaisir de vous rencontrer. the equivalent of it's a pleasure to meet you. Now, if you're talking with friends, with classmates, if you're in an informal gathering, you won't use the word votre. Votre. You will replace it by ta. Ta. So, if you're talking with a new colleague, you will say enchanté de faire ta connaissance. And in the sentence, c'est un plaisir de vous rencontrer, you will replace vous, the word vous, by te. Te. So in an informal gathering, we will have c'est un plaisir de te rencontrer. De te rencontrer. Now, how can you express? How can you ask him how he's feeling? There are many options to ask someone how he's feeling. In English, we often say, how are you? How are you? Or how do you do? In French, the equivalent of how are you is comment vas-tu? Comment vas-tu? And if you're talking with someone superior to you, you will say comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? If you're talking with your patron, for example. And the person can answer by saying je vais bien. Je vais bien. The equivalent of I'm feeling good and I'm fine. Now, how can you say goodbye to someone that you have just met? In English, we have the word goodbye. Goodbye. In French, the equivalent of goodbye is au revoir. Au revoir. We can also use à bientôt. À bientôt. À bientôt means see you. See you soon. And another expression we can use is à plus tard. À plus tard. Like the word à bientôt, we can use à plus tard when you're sure that you will see the person again soon. And the most simple expression is bye or bye bye when you're talking with somebody close to you. You can say bye or bye bye. Yeah. We have finished the lesson now, so let's practice. So I give you an exercise and I allow you 20 seconds to think about. That's the exercise. Imagine you are a student and you will meet your French teacher today at 8 o'clock. How will you salute him? How will you greet him? And ask him how he's feeling. I give you 20 seconds. What would be the appropriate words in this situation? Okay, time is there. The first thing you have to remind is that we are in a formal gathering. You are talking to someone superior to you. So you will use the expression bonjour because we are in the morning, 8 o'clock. You will say bonjour. Bonjour, Monsieur Paul. Bonjour, Monsieur Paul, if his name is Paul. After that you have said bonjour, Monsieur Paul, it's sure that he will answer you, and you can continue by saying comment allez-vous? That's how you're asking him how he's feeling. So you can continue by saying comment allez-vous? Allez-vous? Because you are talking to someone superior to you. And at the end of the lesson with your French teacher, you can tell him goodbye. You can use the word au revoir, au revoir, and add after the word au revoir his name. So we can have au revoir, Monsieur Paul. Monsieur is the equivalent of sir, sir in English. Thank you. We are arrived at the end of this lesson, and I hope it will help you to start conversations with French people. Before go, if you're new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss the next video I will publish soon. And I will be happy to read your comments about today's lesson. See you in the next video.